Hello everyone. Now in exercise 3.1, in question 1 you have to convert degree measure in radian measure. Degree को radian में change करना है, means in the form of pi. First one 25 degree. हमने यहाँ सीखा था 180 डिग्री इक्वल पाई रेडियन, 180 डिग्री इक्वल पाई रेडियन. सो 25 डिग्री, यूज द यूनिटरी. 180 डिग्री इक्वल पाई रेडियन, देयरफॉर 25 डिग्री इक्वल पाई अपॉन 180 इंटू 25. सॉल्व करेंगे, यू विल गेट द आंसर इन द रेडियन फॉर्म. ओके, सेम वे इन क्वेश्चन इन सेकेंड पार्ट it is minus 47 degree 30 minutes. So 30 minutes को convert it in first in degree. So 30 minutes equal half degree, because here it is given 1 degree, 60 minutes equal 1 degree. So 30 minutes will be half degree. Okay, so it will be half degree. Combine them together, it will come as minus 95 by 2 degree. अब हम माइनस 95 बाई 2 डिग्री को रेडियन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग इट विथ पाई बाय 180 डिग्री एंड यू विल गेट द आंसर इन रेडियन. रिमेंबर, जब भी आपको रेडियन में आंसर निकालना है, रेडियन मीन्स इन द प्रीवियस क्लास वी डिस्कस्ड इट, रेडियन मीन्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पाई. सो यू विल कीप द आंसर इन द पाई फॉर्म. थर्ड पार्ट 240 degree, so it will be 240 degree into pi by 180. It will come in the radian form. Solve it, you will get it 4 by 3 pi radian. Same thing over here, it is in the radian form now. Okay, so you will get the answer by multiplying it with pi by 180 degree. You will get it as 26 pi upon 9. In question 2, you have to convert radian in degree measure. Radian को degree measure में convert करना है. So it is given in first part 11 by 16 radian. अब radian को means pi radian equal 180 degree. Pi radian equal 180 degree. तो then 11 by 16 radian equals to 180 डिग्री अपॉन पाई इंटू 11 by 16. ये आपका डिग्री में आ जाएगा. कन्वर्टेड, आपके पास ये डिग्री आ गया. ओके, नाउ डू द डिवीजन, यू विल गेट दिस डिग्री. व्हाट डज इट मीन? अगर ये पूरा डिग्री है, सो इट मीन्स 39 डिग्री प्लस 3/8 डिग्री. 39 degree plus 3/8 degree, as we are doing it in suppose that 2 1.5 है, तो this we can write it at 2 plus half also. Same procedure we will do it here. This is 39 3/8, so we can write it as 39 degree plus 3/8 degree. अब डिग्री है and we know it very well, डिग्री को हम मिनट्स एंड सेकेंड्स में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. सो वी विल गो वन फर्दर स्टेप. 3/8 डिग्री को मिनट्स में चेंज कीजिए. इट विल 3/8 60 मिनट से आप मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. सो आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाइंग इट यू विल गेट 22 1/2. 22 1/2 आपके पास आ जाएगा. ओके, सो इट मीन्स ये 22 आपका एग्जैक्ट मिनट्स आ गया. नाउ यू विल कन्वर्ट दिस हाफ फर्दर इन सेकेंड्स. सो हाफ 1/2 मिनट्स को सेकेंड्स में चेंज कीजिए. सो 1/2 इंटू 60. सो फाइनल आंसर यू विल गेट इट एज 39 डिग्री 22 मिनट्स एंड 30 सेकेंड्स. इन one thing more, here in the denominator pi is there. तो अगर आपका डिनोमिनेटर में पाई है, then you will take it as 22/7. If the pi is in the numerator, then it is already in the radian form. So pi is in the denominator, you will take it as 22/7. Second part, it is -4 radian. So -4 radian को डिग्री में चेंज करेंगे. So what will you get it? -4 मल्टीप्लाई 180 अपॉन पाई. सॉल्व कीजिए तो ये आपका पूरा डिग्री में आ गया. Now it will be convert as minus 2520 upon 11 degree. Again same procedure, multiply कीजिए, so you will get it as minus 229 1 by 11 degree. अब ये पूरा आपका डिग्री में आ गया. This whole is in degree, minus 229. So we will write it as like this. Okay, and अब आपके पास this 1 by 11, 1 by 11 को आप क्या करेंगे? 1 by 11 you will convert it in minutes. So 1 by 11 into 60. So it will come as 60 minutes. तो आप convert करेंगे. So it will come as 5 minutes and 5 by 11. 5 by 11. So you are getting 5 minutes whole. इसको divide करके देखेंगे आप. ठीक है. So you will get 5 minutes whole and 5 by 11 minutes रह जाएंगे. Now convert 5 by 11 minutes into second. 1 minute equals 60 seconds. So 5 by 11 minutes equals 60. Multiply it with 60. So you will get approximate 27 seconds. So the final answer, either आप इसको final answer will be minus 229 5 degree 5 minutes and 27 seconds. आप इसको ऐसे भी रख सकते हैं, and this also you can keep it like this. Okay, like this you can keep it, because minus sign is with whole. You will get the final answer. Like this you can do the remaining parts. Now come to question number 3. Now in question 3rd. In question 3rd, it is written a wheel makes 360 revolution in 1 minute. So in 1 minute 360 revolution, through how many radians does it turn in 1 second? अब हमें 1 second में बताना है how many radians does it turn. Means 1 second में कितने रेडियन वो revolve होगा. So it means that we have to convert it in radian. So before we will convert it in radian, अब देखिए 1 degree equal 360 revolution, और एक revolution में कितना degrees होते हैं? In 1 revolution it is 360 degree. So in 360 revolution it will be 360 multiply 360. So it will come in degrees, isn't it? It will now come in degrees. अब हमें इसे किस में convert करना है? Degrees. Since they are asking about the radian, तो अब हम इसे degrees में change करेंगे. आपके पास 180 degree equal pi radian. So this much degree equals to how much? How much it is? So it will be how much? 360 into 360 multiply pi by 180. So this will come in radian. It will come in radian. Okay. Now solve it. It will come as 720 pi in the radian form. There is no need to write radian always if the pi is in the numerator. Pi अगर numerator में तो it already means that it is in the radian form. आप लिखना भी चाहें लिख सकते हैं, और you can keep it as it is also. अब आपके पास ये आ गया that 1 minute equals 720 pi radian. Now the question is that you have to convert you have to find out its answer for 1 second. For 1 second. अब ये 1 minute equals 720 pi हो गया. So we can write 1 minute. This 1 minute we can write it in seconds also. So 1 minute equal 60 seconds. So 60 seconds equals 720 pi. So 1 second will be 720 pi upon 60. Cancel कीजिए. You will get 1 in 1 second. It revolves 12 pi. Clear? In question 4th, it is given that in a circle it has a radius 100 centimeter with an arc length of 22 centimeter and find the degree measure. Degree measure, and we know it very well. In this, the theta will always be in radian. This theta is always in radian. So we know theta equal L by R. So substitute the value of L and R from here. You will get its answer in the form of radian. अब radian में आ गया, but the question is that you have to convert it in degree measure, means degree में change करना है. We know that pi radian equal 180 degree. Okay, so this 11 by 50 radian will be converted. After converting it, you will get it as 63 by 5 degree. Look here. Here pi is in the denominator. When pi is in the denominator, always you have to take it as 22 by 7. And if pi is in the numerator, then you will keep the pi as it is. Because in that case, it will always be in radian if the pi is in the numerator. So since pi is in the denominator, you will take its value as 22 by 7. Here, take pi as 22 by 7. Okay, so it will convert it in the degree, and we did it in the previous questions. Degree can be converted into degree can be converted it in the form of a minute as well as in second. So this is the degree, so we can write it like this after doing the division. So it will be 12 degree plus 3 by 5 degree. Now this 3 by 5 degree we can still convert it in minutes. So 1 degree equals 60 minutes. So 3 by 5 degree equal 3 by 5 into 60. Convert it, you will get it in minutes. So the answer of this theta in degree measure is 12 degree 36 minutes. Question 5th is, in a circle of diameter 40 centimeter, the length of the chord 20, find the length of the minor chord. Question में दिया हुआ है, in a circle of diameter 40, so 20 will be the radius, length of the chord, this length is given 20 centimeter. And question में निकालना है find the length of the minor arc, means ये निकालना है. This we have to find out. अब this is 20, so this will also be 20. So it forms an equilateral triangle. तो आपके पास center angle will be 60 degree. 60 degree हो गया. As I have told it that the theta will always be in radian. So this will equals to pi by 3 radian. आप radian लिखना चाहें या you can keep it as pi by 3 also. Now the question is length of the minor arc. Length of the minor arc. Theta equal L by R. So length is theta into R. ठीक है? Substitute the value. Theta will be pi by 3 and R is 20. So you will get the length as 20 by 3 pi. This will be the length. Clear? Now, this is question number 5. In question number 6, question 6 is Question 6 is, in two circles, the arc of the same length, two circles, and its length of the arc is same. Okay, the angle subtended by them as 60 degree, and in another case it is 75 degree. This is given. Find the ratio of their radii. दोनों की length same है, length of the arc is same. So we will take it as theta 1 60 degree. So as I have told it, theta को आप pi में first change करेंगे. So theta will be pi by 3 radian. Same way you will convert 75 degree also in the radian form. Radian में convert कर लेंगे. And since it is given that the length have same, both the length of the arc is same, so it means theta 1 r1 equal theta 2 r2. Theta 1, since length of arc same, therefore theta 1 equal theta 1 r1 equal theta 2 r2. अब आप इसमें वैल्यू डालिए and to get the value of r1 upon r2. That you can do it yourself. Question 7th. In question 7, it is given. In question 7th, it is given that the pendulum length is 75 centimeter and its tip makes an arc of 10 centimeter. So in first part, tips makes an arc of 10 centimeter. So it means that the length is 10 centimeter, length of an arc is 10 centimeter and the radius is given 75 centimeter. Now question is, we have to find out theta in radian, and we know it in this case theta is always be in radian. So we know that theta equal L by R. So substitute the value theta equal L by R. So it will come as 10 by 75. Now cancel it. It will be 2 by 15 radian. Okay. So this is already in the radian form. अब हमें इसको degree measure में नहीं convert करना, because it is it has been asked in the question that you have to keep the answer in the radian. Same way in second part, theta equal L by R. So it is L is 15 by 75. Now solve it. 15 and 5. So 1 by 5 radian. 1 by 5 radian. Okay. In third part, again theta equal L by R. So L is 21 by 75. Okay. अब अगर ये कैंसिल होता है, it is 7 by 25 radian. Remember always, when we are talking about theta equal L by R, theta is always be in the radian. अगर क्वेश्चन में theta is given in the form of a degree, so remember normally student used to do mistake कि theta को degree में ही रख के they used to solve the question, but that is wrong, because in this case the theta will always be in the radian. So you have to convert the theta in radian first if it is given in the degree, and then you will go for the question. Thank you and have a nice day.